Something very interesting on your table.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
can you
Yes, ma'am.
explain me what exactly have you done and what are you going to show to us?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, we've made a smart dustbin, which it does not really require us to lift the lid or do anything which lifts the lid.
So how do we put
Uh,
everything inside?
it has been designed on IDE, Arduino Integrated Development Environment. So if we put an object like around 20 or 25 centimeters in front of the ultrasonic sensors, then the lid is raised and we can put any item in it.
So automatically it will get lifted
Yes, ma'am.
and then we can put whatever we want.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
So I'll be explaining how this exactly works. So as you can see in front of the dustbin here, there's an ultrasonic sensor. And so ultrasonic sensors, as the frequency itself is ultrasonic, which is above 20 gigahertz or 20,000 hertz, the sound is beyond our hearing capacity. So what I'll be doing right now is I'll be plugging in this battery. And as you can see, it's plugged in, and if I put any object at all in front of it, roughly around 20 centimeters or less,
It will open.
it will open and I can put whatever is in it, and it will close in about 3 seconds. That's about the total functioning. We've also actually joined up on what's called a maglev train. So Anuj will be explaining how he made it, and I'll be explaining the theory again.
I have used wooden plank in which I and a cardboard and some magnets bar and round magnets in which a magnet train is floating above the
Maglev, the word is a little new, but basically the word itself means magnetic levitation. So, as it's common knowledge that magnets have two ways, like two poles, in which opposite poles attract each other, whereas like poles will repel each other. So, many newer technologies like trains and you might have heard of Rubik's cubes, they use this technology because the object itself is no longer in contact with a physical entity like a track. It is levitating on the repulsion of the like magnets, and that reduces friction, thereby increasing the speed by many folds.
Very good. Very well explained.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much. Thank you.